Hey guys, good morning. This is Roy of NTSX or Enjoy Thrift Shop X. I just want to flex lang yung mga iraran ko sa flea auction ko sa Circle Management. Dun kasi ako magpapa-schedule. So guys, eto gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo. First is this one. Yan. Mga ano to kasama to sa iraran ko. Ang ganda niyan, solid yan. Sumunod, of course, itong shirt na to. 3D, 3-dimensional, ganda. And this, ODM. Dated yan. So guys, please support me on my first ever flea auction. Marami pa akong iraran doon and I hope you will like it. Mga interesting piece. So thank you so much. God bless po sa ating lahat. So I'm asking for your support guys. Ito yung mga iraran ko na pieces sa Circle Management. This is a teaser lang. Please share. This coming February 20, yun po ang set ko. Tuesday at 10:30 to 11. 30 minutes lang. Just give you a sneak peek guys. Ito, Nintendo to. Hard tag yan. Yung mga ganito. Ayan. AOP. So, ulitin ko guys yung auction na yun is with charity yun guys. For ECOS yun. 20% ng kikitain net is idodonate natin or idutulong natin for NTSX Charity Fund. Binidyo ko na guys. Nakakapagod mag-picture eh. So, please support me as a new vendor in the community. Yan. Curator. Meron pa ako, hindi kasama dito, but surprise na lang yun. Ilalabas ko yun during the live guys. Live auction. So, I hope you will like these pieces. And please share na rin. So, thank you so much guys. And God bless.